वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अस्तु स्वरसन्तिः अनुवर्तताम्। Fair. Drishyate khalo?
Only your computer doesn't open.
Doesn't open?
No.
Yes.
Yes, yes. No, it hasn't. It hasn't.
No. Yeah. Yes. Now it is.
Yes.
अस्तु सद्य प्रथम लघु कथां पठामः पठिष्यामः तदनन्तरं किञ्चित् विस्तारेण स्वरसन्धेः 8 चत्वारः अद्य दिने पठिष्यामः। सो एतत् अस्तु। What is written here? I can't read it.
Amukham paramo something.
Paradharmo bhayavah.
Paradharmo bhayavah. It is hidden for me. Anyway. Amukham. Narayana Panditena Virachitaha Hitopadeshaha. Hitopadeshaha Sruyate va? Have you heard?
Yes.
संस्कृत साहित्ये प्रसिद्धोस्ति। किम् अवदत् भवती?
Stories. कथा.
Stories. कथा। हितोपदेश कथाः, पंचतंत्र कथाः इत्यादयः। कस्यचित् राज्ञः अनभिज्ञान् पुत्रान् उद्बोधयितुं सद्गुणसम्पन्नान् च कर्तुं विरचिते अस्मिन् कथाग्रन्थे पक्षिमृगादयः कथापात्रत्वेन वर्णिताः। हितोपदेशात् उत्कृता काचित् कथा अत्र दीयते। अवगतं वा?
Amukham is introduction.
Okay. Preface. Mukham face. Preface.
Preface.
Okay.
So नारायण पंडितेन विरचितः गीतोपदेशः प्रसिद्धः सः प्रसिद्धः किमर्थं विरचितवान् वदन्तु। किमर्थं गीतोपदेशकथां सः रचितवान्? उद्बोधयितुम् अनभिज्ञान् पुत्रान्. Putras who were truant and careless guys, to put them and focus them. Udbodhayidum sadguna sampannan cha kartu. They were not sadguna sampannan. Astu. Patishyamaha. Vadu वीणा महोदय पठतु भवती।
वाराणस्यां नगर्यां वसन्तको नाम रजकः निवसति स्म। युवकः सः समीपग्रामवासिनः अपरस्य रजकस्य पुत्रीं परिणीतवान्। विवाहसमये वधूगृहात् बहूनि द्रव्याणि प्राप्तानि। एतद् ज्ञात्वा केचन चोराः तस्य गृहे प्रविष्टवन्तः। रजकस्य गृहे एकः गर्दभः एकः शुनकः च आस्ताम्। गर्दभः अङ्कणे रज्ज्वा बद्धः आसीत्, किन्तु शुनकः गृहपरिसरे सदा परिभ्रमन् आसीत्। गृहं प्रविष्टान् चोरान् दृष्ट्वा गर्दभः शुनकम् अवदत्, सखे उच्चैः शब्दं कुरु, चोराः गृहं प्रविशन्ति इति स्वामिनं सूचयतु। वस्तुतः एतत् कार्यं भवता करणीयमस्ति।
उत्तमम्। अर्थं वदतु ह्रस्वरूपेण सारांशं वदतु।
वाराणस्यां नगर्याम् एकः रजकः निवसति स्म। तस्य
पुनः न पठतु। एकः रजकः सः समीपग्रामस्य रजकस्य पुत्रीं विवाहं कृतवान्।
समये बहु द्रव्याणि
प्राप्तानि वधूगृहात् खलु। चोराः इति ज्ञातवन्तः। चोराः they came to know about it खलु।
गृहे प्रविष्टवन्तः।
रजकस्य गृहे कौ स्तः?
एकः गर्दभः
एकः
शुनकः च।
गर्दभः बद्धः is tied, परन्तु शुनकः परिक्रमणं करोति, इतस्ततः चलति और भ्रमणं करोति। गृहं प्रविष्टान् चोरान् दृष्ट्वा इदानीं चोराः गृहं प्रविष्टवन्तः। सो तद् दृष्ट्वा गर्दभः अवदत्, सखे उच्चैः शब्दं कुरु, चोराः गृहं प्रविशन्ति इति स्वामिनं सूचयतु। एतत् कार्यं भवता करणीयमस्ति। This has to be done by you. अस्तु, सुशीला महोदय अग्रिमम्।
गर्दभस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा ईषत् हसित्वा शुनकः अवदत्, भ्रातः, मम कर्तव्यम् अधिकृत्य भवता चर्चा न करणीया। इदानीम् अस्माकं स्वामी मयि पूर्ववत् न स्निह्यति इति भवान् जानाति वा? अहम् अहर्निशं तस्य गृहस्य सुरक्षां विदधामि, किन्तु सः इदानीं सम्यगाहारमपि मह्यं न ददाति। सम्यक् आहारं। ते मित्र, अतः स्वकर्तव्यम् अहं सम्यक् जानामि। अत्र त्वं किमपि वक्तुं नार्हसि। गर्दभस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा I am not able, Mama, you don't teach me my kartavya. Is it that he's saying? Kartam adhikritya.
Mama kartavyam adhikritya bhavata charcha.
What is adhikritya here? What is adhikritya?
Regarding, based on, like that. That is adhikritya.
Okay, so you don't have to tell me about my job. Is that so?
No, don't discuss. Charcha means discuss.
Okay, don't discuss.
Regarding my kartavya, by you, charcha na karaniya. Karmani prayogah. Karmani tavyat aniyar. Hello? Bhavata, tritiya. Kartrupadam bhavata, tritiya. Vipakti. करणीया चर्चा कर्मपदम
Shunakah is pulling, no? Why he has written Karaniya?
Charcha is the word. Charcha is
Okay.
karmapadam.
चर्चा करणीया
Karmapadam anusritya.
Karaniya, okay.
Karmani prayoge karmapadam anusritya. Kartrupadam anusritya na. Charcha is trilingam ataha karaniya.
Okay.
पुनः चिन्तयतु बहु प्रधानम्
मयि पूर्ववत् न स्निह्यति. I didn't know what is snihyati. I don't remember.
Snihyati means sneham karodi. That means loving. He is not loving me.
Mayī purvavat
like before.
Okay, like before. So he
like
was
before. He is not
loving me. Do you know that? No.
Yeah, correct.
Aham aharnisham tasya grihasya vidadami. So many different difficult. I don't know what is aharnisham and what is vidadami.
Ahaha nishaha, day night. Aharnisham, day and night.
Okay.
Tasya grihasya suracham. I am doing day and night.
Day and night duty. Okay.
Day and night I am taking care of the suraksha.
But he is not giving me good food.
Don't create your own words. He is not Kindu saha idanim. Okay. Samyak aharam api. You are right. I did not look into agreement.
So even though I am doing this much of work, he is not giving me good food.
Samyak aharam api mahyam na dadami.
Hey Mitra, atah swa kartavyam aham samyak janami. When friend, I know my job. I know. Atra tvam kimapi vaktum nada. You don't have to tell me.
No, arhasi. You are not deserving to tell.
Okay.
You are not qualified to tell me. Okay. Parvati Mahode, agrima?
Shunakasya दाश्च्यं श्रुत्वा स्वामी भक्तः गर्दभः पुनर्प्यवदत् अरे मूढ शृणु
पुनरपि अवदत्
पुनरपि अवदत् अरे मूढ शृणु.
No, but you have to read
पुनरप्यवदत् अरे मूढ शृणु यः कार्यकाले स्वार्थाय तिष्ठति सः कुत्स्थितः भृत्यः निन्दनीयं मित्रं भवति. अतः इदानीं स्वकर्तव्यम् आचर. अनन्तरं स्वामिन् स्वकीये विषये बोधयिष्यावः इति.
किम् अर्थः? कः अर्थः? ह्रस्वरूपेण वदतु.
त्वं कर्तव्यं कुरु. After that, idanim kartavyam kuru. What do you say afterwards?
यः कार्यकाले स्वार्थाय तिष्ठति सः कुत्सितः भृत्यः निन्दनीयं मित्रं. निन्दनीयं कीदृशः प्रयोगः?
विशेषणं.
No, tavyam
अनियर्. निन्दनी मित्रं नपुंसकम् अतः निन्दनीयं मित्रं. स्नेहितः अस्ति चेत्
मित्रः स्नेहितः
निन्दनीयः स्नेहितः खलु. निन्दनीयः स्नेहितः भवति. मित्रम् अतः निन्दनीयं मित्रं. यः कार्यकाले स्वार्थाय तिष्ठति सः कुत्सितः भृत्यः. कार्यकाले कुत्सितः crooked. अतः इदानीं स्वकर्तव्यम् आचर, स्वकर्तव्यम् आचर.
What is
तत्र
Bhrityaha?
Bhritya is Naukar. Naukar, what is the English word?
Okay, servant.
A servant.
Servant, yeah, Bhritya.
Sevakaha, Sevakaha.
Sevakaha.
Okay.
Anantaram,
You are a
Swami,
crooked servant, it means?
yeah.
Okay.
Only karyakale swarthaya tishtati, for selfishness, only for filling your food, your stomach, you are standing here, not doing kartavyam. Anantaram, so idanim kartavyam achara. Kartavyam achara. Kaha kartapadam kim?
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana padam kim? Bhavan va?
Idanim swakaryam bhavan.
That is a Shunakaha.
Shunakaha.
No. So kartavyam achara. Ityuktau, if it is achara, kaha tvam. Bhavan asti chet, idi vivaksha bhavan asti chet katham parivartanam karoti?
Acharati.
Acharatu.
Acharatu.
Okay.
Swakartavyam acharatu. Tvam asti chet swakartavyam achara. Tvam patha bhavan patatu. Hello. Anantaram Swaminam Swakiye Vishaye Bodhayishyavaha. Kimartam vaha?
You.
No.
Two people.
Avam.
Avam. Divachanam. Okay, astu. Argimam Chitraji patatu.
गर्दभस्य वचनेन शुनकः रुष्टः अभवत्. सः गर्दभम् अवदत्, रे मूढ किमेवं माम् उपदिशसि स्वामी भक्तश्चेत् किमर्थं स्वामिनं न बोधयसि? यः स्वामी भृत्यान् यथाशक्ति न परिपालयेत् सः किं प्रभुः इति ख्यातः. अतः स्वामी भक्तः त्वमेव स्वामिनं प्रतिबोधय इति.
वदतु सारांशं वदतु.
After listen Shunakah रुष्टः अभवत् means with kopena अभवत्.
Irked or whatever is, that's kobam only, but exactly the word is something like irritated.
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 Abhavat. Kim evam mamupadisyasi.
Mam upadishyasi, advising me. Tvam upadishyasi. Tvam kim evam mam upadishyasi.
Why you are advising me?
Idanim santi vishayam khalo. Sarvatra santihi asti. So that way you should become familiar. Kim evam santihi. Mam upadishyasi. Mam upadishyasi. Mam upadishyasi. Swami bhaktaschet. Swami bhaktaha chet. Bhaktaha chet visarga santi will combine bhaktaschet. Shiva Shakti, like that. Kimartham Swaminam na bodhayasi. Avachati khalo. Yaha Swami Bhrityan yatha shaktihi na paripalayet saha kim prabhuhu iti khyadaha. Artha kaha? That Swami who doesn't take care of Bhrityas like us, Yatha Shakti na Paripalayet, who doesn't Paripalayati, Saha Kim Prabhu iti Khyadaha.
Why?
He's
How,
a rebellion.
how come he? In what way he is a Prabhu? That's what, no? If he is not able to look after us.
Khyadaha ityuktau prasiddhaha or is well known. Okay, Kim Prabhu iti Khyadaha. How he is known as a good Swami. It's indirectly, that's what the meaning.
What kind of Swami is? He didn't
Look
help
after
us.
Yeah. What kind is better? Kim Prabhu iti Khyadaha. What type of Prabhu is known as? Yeah. That is the Sanskritam usage. We say in other languages, well, who can call him a Prabhu that way? Okay. Ataha Swami Bhaktaha Tvameva Swaminam Pradibodhaya iti. Artha kaha?
That's why he said that Swami Pradibodhaya iti. Again, like that he said that. Swami Bhaktaha.
See, Prathamam Kriyapadam Pashyantu Kim Lakaraha kaha? Lakaraha kaha?
Bodhaya.
Sambodhana.
Lord Lakara is saying, right? Do it. Pratibodhaya. You go and tell Swami. Ataha Swami Bhaktaha Tvam. Tvam Swami Bhaktaha. You the great Swami Bhakta. Tvam eva. You only. Swaminam Pratibodhaya. Inform Swami. You are the big Swami Bhaktaha. Khalu. You are telling you are a big Swami Bhaktaha. So Tvam eva. Tvam Swami Bhaktaha eva. Swaminam Pratibodhaya iti. It's very important you look at what is the Lakara. Otherwise, you will interpret. No, this is a straightforward Kartari. Pratibodhaya. Bodhayatu. Bodhayatu is Bhavan. Prathama. What is it? Prathama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha chet Pratibodhaya. Hello.
Okay. Pratibodhaya is the word. Okay.
Pratibodhayatu.
Okay.
Bodhayatu. Prati is upasargaha.
Understood. Now I understand.
So, Prathanam Sarvada Pashyantu Kriyarupam Kim Lakaraha kaha. Otherwise, you will lose the meaning. You are not here to interpret. So he told something like past tense. No, it's the whole meaning changes. So it's very important you focus on the Kriya Padam and what is the Lakara. Otherwise, it twists the meaning. Agrivam Padadu. Who is that?
It is Pratibodhaya, then it is Karmani Prayoga. No, I'm just asking about the word.
No. Bodheya, no. See, it's a verb is Parasmaipadi. Then how will it become? Then, yeah, if you want Karmani, yeah, Bodhyate. Right? Pradibodhyate. Then Pradibodhyatam. Like that and all it will change.
Okay.
Bodhya, it will come.
Bodhya.
Karmani. Whenever, so tum patha. Tvaya pathyata. Right?
Yes.
Like that. No. Patyatam is Prathama Pursha. Madhyama Pursha.
Patyeya.
No, Patyeya, no. That is Vithalingam. A will be Vithalingam. Okay. So look at one dhadu
Patyeta.
Patyeta only.
Let's see. Karmani.
Patyetam, patyetam,
No, no.
patyantam.
No, patyasva it will be.
Patyasva, patyasva.
Patyasva. Yeah. Patye, all these are Vittilingam. Okay. Okay. Veeraji Patatu.
Okay. Shunakasya vachanena asvastaha gardabaha punaravadat. Are duracharin kim vyartham pralapasi vipattau yaha swaminaha upeksham karoti saha papi eva duratman tvam kartavyasya upeksham karoshi chet ahameva swaminam nidrataha jagarishyami इत्युक्त्वा सः गर्दभः उच्चैः विरौति स्म तच्छ्रुत्वा भग्ननिद्रः सः उदतिष्ठत् गर्दभाक्रन्देनेन चोराः पलायताः परन्तु निद्राभङ्गेन क्रुद्धः रजकः गर्दभोऽयं वृथा चीत्कारं करोति इति विचिन्त्य दण्डेन अताडयत् च।
अर्थः कः?
गर्दभः वदति त्वं न if you don't make noise, I will make noise. I will wake up the Rajakaha. Tataha Gardabaha Uchaihi Virauti. Virauti means shouts, I think.
Yeah.
So tat shrutva choraha palayataha. Then Rajakaha got up and saw the Gardabaha was making noise simply because he didn't know the Choraha had run away. So Gardab Vichintya Dandena Atadayat. Gardabam Dandena Atadayat.
Tamam. Vritha chitkaram karoti iti chintayitva. Saha na janati choran vishayan na janati. Swami na janati. Saha chintayati eshaha vritha chitkaram karoti. He is simply shouting. Vichintya dandena atatayat. Saramsham kim? Tattvam kim?
Swadharme nidhanam shreyaha paradharmo bhayavahah.
Okay, you can be depending on your swadharmam, that is shreyaha, paradharmam bhayavahah. We will come across this situation many times. There is no clear answer. You are on the street and you see that somebody is being harassed, you think that's injustice, then you try to involve, then the question comes, who are you to involve? Police ko bulao. Right? So that is the point here.
Nidhanam means Nidhanam
means swadharme nidhanam. Swadharme asrayam or swadharme
stand. You have to stand on.
Yeah. Nidhanam means actually base. Yeah. So standing on the base of your own dharma is sreha, because it's yours and it's your duty, and you do it. That is sreha. You are praised, and that is ulkarshaha. But paradharmaha, that's a dilemma. I don't think there is a clear answer here, but be aware that if that situation comes, it's your conscious, according to your conscious, you do it, but be aware that sometimes you may be hurt or you may get reactions. So then it's okay. So, Shunakasya vachanena aswastha gardhabah punaravatat. Punaha avatat will become punaravatat. That is Visarga Sandhi, Ra will come. You will learn later, I'm just mentioning. Are Duracharin. Duracharin Kidrisham Vipakti.
Vidilinga.
Duracharin Kidrisham Vipakti. Sambodhana. E Durachara. Duracharin. Vidyarthin, like that. Kim Vyartham Pralapasi. Why Vyartham with no use? Pralapasi. You are chilla karte ho. That. Vipattau ityukto kidrisham laga vipakti. Ka vipakti?
Dvivachanam?
Saptami.
Oh.
I think you guys are not thorough, okay?
Forgot. Arrow.
Vipattau. Okay. Vipatti. Harihi, harau. Vipatti. Vipattihi is danger. Vipattau, in danger. Yaha swaminaha upeksham karoti. Whoever is giving up or abandoning swami. Okay. Saha papi eva. Duratman. Just like Duracharin, Duratman. Tvam kartavyasya upeksham karoshi. Kimartham karoshi?
Because it's Tvam.
Tvam. Chet aham eva. Atrapi swarasan. Aham eva. Swaminam nidrataha. Ka vipaktihi?
Panchami vibhakti.
Uttamam. Jagarishyami. Ityuktva. Vayam paditavantaha iti कीदृशम् अपि प्रयोगं कर्तुं शक्यते इत्युक्त्वा इति उक्त्वा एकपदे sentences what is it? Vakye what's the word? Option vikalpena. Vakye vikalpena prayoktum shakyate. Sandhim vina vikalpena api prayoktum shakyate. In sentences, whenever you come across, if it's a sentence, you have the choice either to use santi or without santi. That is option. Both are correct. Iti uktva also you can write, or ityuktva. Kutra kutra karaniyam eva santi. Vayam paditavantaha. Tristhale. In 3 places it's a must. Samase dhatu upasargayoho tridiyam kim ekapate. Hari e, haraye. You cannot say hari e. Just like iti uktva, you cannot say hari e, because hari e, there are not two words. Meaningless. Hari e. Only when it combines, it becomes hare, one word. It's a word which cannot be split. It can be split for derivation purpose of the grammar of the Vyulpatti. How the word originated, that time you will split it. Hare, that's how hare is formed. But it is not, if you say padam, it's ekapadam is only after hare. So ekapade sarvada santihi avashyakam. Dhatu upasargayoho. If there is a dhatu with upasarga, if there is no upasarga, prati gacchati and all, you cannot say prati and gacchati. No, prati gacchati together only. That's the second one. Then samase. Samasa ityukto Nilakashaha. Okay, that's a samasa. Nila akasha is combined. Nila akasha. You cannot say Nila akasha. You cannot say, you can say Ni akashaha. Nilaha akashaha is correct. But when it's combined, it becomes Nila akasha. So there you cannot split Nila akasha. That's wrong. You can split it, then it will be completely like separate words. Okay? Avagadam? Neela Jalam. Neela Jalam. Neela Jalam. Okay. Neela Jalam. Blue water. If you either you should say Neelam Jalam, then it is not samasam. It's a separate two words. That's fine. But the moment you combine Neela Jalam, then there is no point in, you cannot split Neela Jalam. You cannot say that. Either you say Neelam Jalam, or if it is combined and you made a samasam Neela Jalam, it has to be Neela Jalam. That is what samasa. So three of them very important. You must do it. This is all important because these are all base of Sankhi. So you should be very well knowing that. Very simple, only three of them. Must. Ekapade. That's not much you will not come across. But if you come across grammar and all, then you should know that I cannot do it like that. So ekapade, that's given. Sadhu upasargyoho, that's very important. You may be tempted to say prati gacchati. Prati is a word, gacchati is a word. So what's wrong? That kind of thinking may come. No. Remember, prati upasargaha, ataha prati gacchati, pratyagacchati. You cannot say prati agacchati. You cannot say that. Griham prati agacchati, that's different. There griham prati is not upasargaha. Okay, griham prati is griham after prati. So they are the ones related words, griham prati. But prati gacchati is one together. Gacchati saha prati upasargaha. So you cannot say prati and keep a gap and gacchati is wrong. Prati gacchati. That's one. Samasaha, I told you. Neela Jalam. Either you say Neelam Jalam, then nobody talked about Sandhi here, so you are fine. But if you are using Samasa Neela Jalam, then it must be Neela Jalam. You cannot say Neela space Jalam. Prachadu Mode?
Prati gacchati, pratyagacchati we can say, no? Prati gacchati.
Both. Prati gacchati, pratyagacchati. Both. Pratyagacchati means coming. Prati gacchati means going, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Then what is that samasa, Mahodaya? Samasa means
Samasa you did not learn. Samasa ityuktau, the santihi ityuktau, you are combining the letters, correct? Two letters come together, then a prakriya happens. They are nearby samhita. So when they are nearby, sometimes they can be combined, sometimes they may not be combined. So whatever that happens is called santihi, because that is between the letters, right?
Okay.
Same concept when two words are coming. Udaharanam Neela Jalam itself. So many udaharanams, right? Hariharatmajam, Hariharasya Atmajam, Hariharas Putraha. I can say Hariharasya Putraha, Hariharasya Atmajam. I can say. I can combine and say Hariharatmajam. One word. You come across this always. Hariharatmajam or a lot of words.
Rama Lakshmana is also Samasa.
Chitrapur. Rama Lakshmana also, yes. Chitra Purnima. Okay? Yeah. Chitra Purnima. So it has to be Chitra Purnima. Two words. When you combine, you take the first words, Pratipadikam only. That's why it is Chitra, not Chitra Purnima. Chitra Purnima. Now when you words you want to combine, you have to take Pratipadikam of the first word. Chitra Purnima. Chitra only. So that is called samasa. Why it is important? Your example, Chitra Purnima, that is meaningful as a separate two words. Nobody is talking about Santhi. Now you are doing this samasa, two words came together, and Chitra, Itra, Chitra of Chitra, Chitra and Pu. These two words, letters came together nearby, so they became Santhi form. Then you cannot say Chitra Pratipadikam as a word and Purnima. No. Once you combine for samasa purpose, it has to stay as combined. So that is the thing that I am saying. Understood?
Okay.
So this is something very important. Okay. Nobody thinks about it. When they hear, they just hear and go. No, you have to think about examples, then only it will go in your mind. Okay. So we spent more than enough time. Danim Swarasanthi Vishayam Patamaha. That's also samasam. Swarasanthi Vishayam. Swarasantehe Vishayaha. Swarasanthi Vishayaha. That's also samasam. So samasam will be combined, and you vigraham karodu means you are splitting. Splitting, when you split it, it will become like a vibhakti form. Okay. Swarasanthi santeha kati santeha santi? Ashta. Okay. Danim adya chatvaraha padishyamaha. Actually, this we have to go from easiest to in some logical form. They have written like this, but I don't find it's in the logically a good way. If you want to relate it to the letters and from simple to little bit step by step, you have to learn first Savarna Dirgha Santihi. And that's the way most of the places it's taught. Pratamam Savarna Dirgha Santihi, Tadanandaram Guna Santihi, Tadanandaram Vritti Santihi, Tadanandaram Yan Santihi, Tadanandaram Yanda Vanda Desha Santihi. Then these three are relatively simple and some exception cases. These five are the very common ones. So, Pradhamam Savarna Dirgha Santihi. Savarna ityuktau kim? Varnaha ityuktau kim? Aksharaha. Aksharam. Hello. Varnam means Aksharam. Hello. Savarnam means same or similar. Same or similar. Okay. They are all same, right? That is Savarnaha. So, Udaharanam Pashyamaha. Savarna Dirgha Sandhihi Nemaha Eshaha. A or A Savarnam. So again, same. That is what Savarna means. A or A combined with A or A. If that means either A combines with A or A combines with A or A combines with A or A combines with A. That's what I have given here. Always result is just one. A. Doesn't matter. A, it doesn't become big A. It's just A only. Two small sraswa A, dirgha A bhavati. Ekaha A, dvitiya A asti chetapi uttaram or santhi karyam A eva. Tad anusrutya E api. E. Sarvada E. Whichever combination. E or EE or EE. Anything and everything would result E eva. Santhi karyam E eva bhavati. Tadwara U bhavati. R bhavati. Saralaha eva. One of the easiest one. Santhi. Also intuitively you get it. Okay. Udaharanam. Brahma arpanam brahmarpanam. Kimartham Brahmam na Brahma? Because this is Samasa. Okay. We are combining as a Samasa form. So we have taken Pratipatikam, Brahma, Arpanam. Then this is exactly what Samasam means. And this is why we cannot write like this, Brahma Arpanam. You can say Brahmam Arpanam. Then it's fine. Then there is no Sandhi, there is no Samasa. You are just writing separately. Then the language is not beautiful. To make language beautiful and to hear well and understand well, you have to here and there mostly use Samasa and Sandhi. But technically, if you write Brahmam Arpanam, that's correct. Then we are not talking about Sandhi, we are not talking about Samasa. But Atra Samasaha, Brahma Pratipadikam Arpanam. So it will become Brahma Arpanam. Okay? Brahma means what? Brahma, okay. You may get some doubt how it is happening. So I will write it so that it's easier to. This is how it should become Brahma, okay? Plus that's what Brahma means, right? Brahma, then again then Arpanam, right?
There we can't see where you have written.
Huh?
You have not shared the screen.
Oh, I think each and every time I have to share this. Okay, you are seeing this?
Yes.
Now we can see.
Yeah, so are you seeing this also?
Yes.
Or only?
No, only
Are you seeing-
Brahma and
okay, that's okay. So we were saying Brahma Arpanam, right? Brahma, that is Pratipatikam, then Arpanam. Okay, now it has to become Brahmarpanam. That is the subject, right? It has to become lengthened. Brahma Arpanam has to become Brahmarpanam. So if you want to know how that is happening, what you need to do, first, this fellow, you write it like this, always Brahma, then it's Brahma, right? Are you with me?
Yes.
Is this equivalent to this? Correct?
yes.
Yes. Now, Arpanam, there is one So you can say like this, Arpanam. This is our question. This is our, then it becomes our Sandhi form. A plus A is what? Okay, let me make it fast. A plus A is what? So I will replace it. Now I can say Brahma, then whatever is remaining. Nam, right? This is what it is. So if you see Brahma Arpanam, here there is an A because I am splitting Brahma A. Then A plus this A will become A. So Brahma A, Brahma Arpanam. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah, that is a fundamental idea. With that idea, I will not be doing this again and again, but in mentally you can do it. Gajananaha, Gaji, A, here again A. A plus A. So Gajananaha. Same way now, A, Api. This A plus A. Whichever way combination, result is A. So here, ending is A, then plus A. Tada, Tada, Pi. Hello. Here there is already A, Tada. Here there is one A, but this doesn't, is A and this A together makes only one A. Hello. So Tad A, Pi, Tada, Pi. Now A plus A, both are Dirgha. A plus A. A plus A again A. Vidya Alayaha Vidyalayaha. Hello. So if you follow this well, then you understood how we split it. Agrimam Sarvam Samyak Avagachati. Same concept. E plus E, whichever combination result is E, Dirgha. So Gachami, Atra Hraswai, again one E, Gachamiti, Gachamiti, because it will become Dirgha. E plus E, Gacham. You want to write it or you're okay?
No, understood. Understood.
Yeah.
Okay. Gacham, E-E-T, Gachamiti. Seve Giri Ishaha. That is like E plus E. Girishaha. Like that, Parvati Iva Parvati Iva. Parvati Ishaha Parvati Ishaha. Guru Upateshaha Guru Upateshaha. So point is everything will become Dirgha.
Dirgha. Okay.
Vathu Urmika Vadhurmika. Vathu Uktihi Vadhuktihi. Vathu Urmika Vadhurmika. Pitr Anaur. Rikaram same way. Pitru Rinam. Now this R will become longer one. Pitrinam. Okay? Okay. That's the easiest.
Because of the Dirgha, father saying this is Swara, Sandhi.
Say that again.
Because of Dirgha, because E. That's why that E, that is Swara, Dirgha. That's why Swara Sandhi heading.
In Swarasanthishu, Ekaha Swarasanthihi Nemaha. Okay. See, Santhi depends on which are combining. In this specific words, end is A. Okay. Your question is something like a convoluted. Okay. So we are just focusing on words ending in A and starting in A. That's all here. Or words ending in E and starting in E. That is what Savarna, same Varna. There are other Sandhis. So when you ask, that's why Sandhi, then it should not look like that. It's the only Sandhi. That is the way I'm taking it. That shouldn't be like that.
Mahodaya, the Savarna Sandhi is only for A, E, U, and R or other alphabets too?
Only for this. Only for this.
Okay.
Swara Sandhi, it is only for Swara. In Swara, okay, I will come to that so you will understand a little better. This Swara Varnaha, okay, what are the Varnas? A, E, E, U. Okay? R, and Ilre. Ilre, it is also there, you neglect it, okay, because very few words, so why should you confuse it? And it behaves exactly like R. Wherever R comes, same rule it applies. Wherever you say R, you just say R. R will be replaced by Il. So that's it. But you will find very, 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 very few words. So I'm just dropping it. Generally, everybody drops it. Okay, so that's a good question. So how you should understand? We are talking about Swarasanthi only. That's the only thing we are talking today. Okay, not today only. E Varshaha. Okay, etasmin varshe Swarasantihi eva padishyamaha. Hello. So sware kim asti? A, E, U, R. These five are prathamam. They are chaste. They stand alone. Okay. Then A, I, O, etc. are somewhat derived from A and something else. For example, A plus E is A. Okay, so we will come to that rules now slowly, immediately, don't worry. So now we are only talking about the very first one, A, E, U, R only. Because they only, so Savarna Dirgha is only applicable to all these 5 of them, but Ilr disregard it, so only this. And because Savarna means same Varna, left side and right side same Varna. That kind of situation comes, then it happens. Okay, so that is what this Sandhi is. If there is a situation where left side is ending in A and starting next letter or next word also starting in A, then it's a Savarna Dirgha Sandhi of A Akshara. Same applies if it is ending in E followed by E, then Savarna Dirgha Sandhi with E Varna. Same way U, ending in U, starting also U, so. Then Hraswa and Dirgha doesn't matter. Always, whichever combination, they always get the same result. So that's a saving grace. You don't have to be worried. Okay, any whichever combination, A plus Ava, A plus Ava, A plus Ava, A plus Ava, same. So if you know this, same thing applies here, same here. And again, R is very less words are there, so we don't have many examples. Pitru, Rinam, Pitrinam. You don't find a word where the ending is again Dirgha, this again Dirgha. You don't find it. Same way, this is Dirgha, this is small, all those things you find, doesn't find. Mostly you find it 2 Hraswas, then it's like. Agadam, hello? Okay. Agrimam. Okay. This is what I want you to know. This is my own. Okay. Nobody's. So all these Swarasandhi, first 3, I'm going to, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is over, right? Next 2. One is Guna Sandhi and next is Vriddhi Sandhi. For these 2, this is the one you should know. This is always left side is A. Remember that. Okay. What I mean is something like Brahma, but here it may not start with A. Something else. A plus E, suppose. What happens? That's the next step. Okay, there are a lot of possibilities when words combine, right? Atra andima varnaha akaraha parantu agrima varnaha agrima padasya pradhama varnaha e bhavet athava u bhavet tasmin samaye kim bhavati iti prashna. That's another possibility, right? Everything is not like this. So then, now I am coming to that. E or U. We are taking each and every situation. Suppose it's ending A and then next is starting in E or U or R. What happens? That is what is Guna Sandhi. Okay? So, I'm not telling Guna Sandhi here like that, but this is the rule. This rule, if you understand, then you are just applying it. Whenever A and ending in A, first word is ending in Akaraha, Agrima Padasya Pradhama Varnam Ikaraha asti ched, A plus E equal to A. Okay? Very, very common. A plus E equal to A. Atra, what's the word? Let me take the example. Mama ishtam, mameshtam. Right? Gana Ishaha, Ganeshaha. So how will it become A? Ganaha, Gana Ishaha. Gananam Ishaha is the split word. Now, when you make it a samasa, Gana Ishaha. Gana is the pratipatikam. So you put Gana Ishaha, then you make it together Ganeshaha. So ending first word Gana, Gana, E. Second Ishaha. E or E. Okay, that's also I mentioned here. I'm writing it simply here, but this means it could be A also, this could be E or E, this could be U or U. But simply you remember this, then Raswa Dirgha doesn't matter. It's all valid everywhere. Okay, whichever way. It can be A, this can be small, this can be A, this can be E. All these will get the same result. So A plus A yogaha E uttaram E bhavati. Or uttaram na santhi rupam E bhavati. Idanim tatha eva A U yogaha U O bhavati. Surya Udayaha. Surya Udayaha will become Suryodayaha. That's coming from A plus U O, Suryodayaha. So this is one part.
Ayodhya will come in that Ayodhya.
Ayodhya is a single word. It's just a name. There is no splitting there.
Okay.
It's the word I, O and all, no.
Okay.
Yeah, it has to be meaningful. Okay. A, E, A. A, E, U, O. Now, this got derived and became A. There is possibility A plus A also can have. Eka, ekam. Ekaikam. Right? Eka, eva. Ekaiva. This type of words will come. So,
Okay.
A plus E became A, but it's also possible. Eka, ekam. Then ekaikam. A plus A will become I.
So
Then,
when we have to split A plus A, we have to say A plus E plus is equal to A plus.
no, you don't need to.
Okay.
It depends on the word. Okay, well, you don't get anything extra by splitting.
Okay.
For example, suppose you say, see, ekaikam. So you are seeing that, right? Ekaikam.
Yes.
So you split eka, ekam, right?
Okay.
There your purpose is served. While if you split further, you don't get a new word.
Oh, okay.
So it is connected to meaningful word. This itself is a meaningful word.
Okay.
You shouldn't be splitting further.
Okay.
If you split this further, it has a meaningless just a eka. You are saying plus E come, right? This is nothing. It has no meaning in Sanskrit. There is no word like this.
Okay.
So you don't split like that.
Okay.
But your question is valid. Certain places it can happen. Because this word itself is again combined, means you split further. But not blindly everywhere. It has to be meaningful, finishing. Here it is finished. You don't need to split further. Okay? So that is the thing. And now A plus A, it became I. Now A plus I again is there. Then again answer is I itself. Okay? Yeah. Purchatu Mode?
Savarna Sandhi means same Varna you said. The Guna Sandhi means meaning Guna Sandhi. How meaning?
Okay, we are not there. We are coming to that. You will not understand the names and meanings if you are not learning Sandhi using Paniniya Vyakaranam.
Okay.
Understood? You cannot trod there. Guna means, there is some technical meaning Guna means. Whenever some things get modified, it is called Guna. Okay? In Vyakarane api, even in Vedante, it is Tatha eva. Okay, Guna. Tattva Guna, Rajo Guna, Tatra, Vedante Anya Ritya. Parantu Tattvam Atra api Apekshitam. Here also that concept is applied. So there are letters when they come together, it changes. For example, this itself is a Guna. A and E, when they come together, it becomes A. This is what is observed by Panini by observing various words. He found out that Gana and Ishaha, people are saying Ganeshaha. So he formed a rule. A plus E becomes A. Understood? This change itself is called Guna. Okay. So you cannot, in the classic way, when you learn, you cannot relate and understand what is Guna and all. So don't go in that path. Just understand Guna Santhi and then just remember A plus E A, A plus U O, and this is what Guna Santhi is talking about. Now we will learn Vriddhi Santihi. Vriddhi means what? Vardhanam means what? If you had this much muscles, became bigger muscles, right? That is Vardh.
Then again, that A plus O will also become O.
Same. It's exactly something like exact counterpart. A plus E A, A plus U O. Same way, next persons. A plus E, here A plus O. Here I, here O. Then A plus I, again I, A plus O, again O. Okay? So here again, if you want, are you seeing my screen notepad?
You have written what you have written now. That only Eka Ekam, that is the only screen we have.
Okay. So I will not write Dirgha, okay? A, E, U, R, L. Anyway, I don't know how to write it. Let us take it that way. It's wrong, but that's okay. Okay, you understand, right? La and under below. This is one stage, okay? They are together. Next, A, E, E. I'm not Dirgha. A, E, U, R, L. Now, conceptually, your mind should take it. These fellows belong to one part. These are all not taught in that way, but if you want to understand and make it easier for you, take it like that, because A, E, U, I. Okay. O. This are all, I is out. We don't use it. So these are actually can be derived using, for example, A plus E, A. Okay. Now A plus E became A. Now again take A. A is very important. A plus derived fellow E, this fellow is obtained. So we play, so these three are relatives. Okay. Now A is always somebody, a common person across all the families. Okay. So A is again combining with U. A plus U. A plus U. O. Now A plus O.
Okay.
Okay. So A, these A, U, O, one group. A, E, A, I, one group. A and R is little different. It will become R and all. Raja, Rishihi, Rajarshihi. So that is separately you consider. That's a better approach. And they are not very, very common, so don't worry about it. And it easily comes. Raja, Rishihi, Rajarshihi. So I will suppose I remove these two. You can make it little more. Now A plus E. Now I will take it like this. I will split them into different families like this. This is just a logical connection, okay? Nobody teaches all this way. If you want to remember, at least remember that these guys are connected. A, E, A, I are one pattern. A, U, O, Au are one pattern. At least that will save you some ideas about it. And whatever this, if you know this, then you can derive it also. Because E has a counterpart U. A's counterpart is O. I's counterpart is Au. Are you following me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. With this, our Gunasanti will be dealing with this area. This area. And
Mahodaya, we are on the same page. If you have changed the page, we can't see it.
oh, I always had to do that. Okay. Gunasanti Vishayam A plus E, this Atra, this area. Yadasmin Stalam Gunasanti Vishayam. Idanim Arabhya Eshaha Vishayaha Vritti Santihi. Eshaha Vishayaha Vritti Santihi. The Gunasantihi, this one. With the Gunasanti, you got A. Now with A, again you combine this area and this area, it becomes Vritti Santihi. Plus Rikarasya extra example will come to that. Are you with me so far?
A plus A becomes I. That is Vriddhi Sandhi.
Yes.
Okay.
Vriddhihi bhavati.
Okay.
A varnasya vriddhihi vardhanam. Became somebody close, but he got a little more muscles and all. Became I. Okay, that's how you can remember. Okay. And this is guna, because this element and this element, when they came together, something happened and they became A. Same way, A plus U, O. Gunam bhavati. A prakriya, guna prakriya. Okay. Yeah, with this concept you go. So main thing is, A is the one in the first padam's ending is A. That's the concept we used to remember.
Okay.
So A becomes important that way.
So,
up to Gunasanti and Vritti Santi. Afterwards, the scenario changes. A's role will go and then others will come. Okay. The process. Prashna Astiva?
No, if it is E and something else instead of A, it is a different Sandhi itself.
Yeah, different.
Okay.
We'll come to that.
Okay.
Okay. Gunasantihi. Now let us finish our A Vishayam. So far A is the very pramukha A. A started. So Savarna Dirgha Santi, A, E, everybody is there. A, E, U, R. First four. Okay. We are not talking. So in the Savarna Dirgha Santi, only A, E, U, R is there. The A, I, O, and all derived fellows, they are out. These pristine fellows are only involved in Savarna Dirgha Santi. Okay. Now these guys are derived guys. Actually, it's not derived guys, but I'm making you so that in your brain you can be some conceptually. Otherwise, it all becomes so many, you can't remember easily. Some way you have to put it in your mind. Then it will become something like a building block. A, E, U, and all first building blocks, simple ones. Now, because you know A plus E is A, consider it as somebody who is not very pure. He is a mixer also. Okay, if you follow me. Otherwise, you can have your own ways, and maybe you can completely by heart also.
Like H2O.
Yeah.
H2O you
Correct,
can remember.
Yeah,
That's a
correct.
different thing to get is water.
Times only, Mahodaya. Only understanding only long time.
Yeah, you have to have some idea. Otherwise, later on, you will completely thinking what was the first side. So that's why I made A very big.
Yeah.
When A is very big, at least I thought you will remember. That's why I made it A big. Okay. Okay. Now I will come to Gunasantihi. So Gunasantihi. Again, same concept, A, but Savarna na. Savarna means same Varna. Here it is not Savarna. This is Savarna concept is gone. Now mixing is happening. A is going to combine with E. So they are not the same caste. Okay, Savarna. So A plus E, it becomes A. So this is the rule. Okay. So Udaharanam, Gana Ishaha. Now, this is the thing. Whenever you come across a word which is ending in A, and next word is starting with E, what happens? So, Gana Ishaha, Gan Eshaha. Then again, same concept, whether Ava, Eva, always A happens. So, just I gave some example. Maha, both are Dirgha, Maha, Ishwaraha, Maheshwaraha. Here Hraswa, here Hraswa. Here Hraswa, here Dirgha. Here Hraswa, here Hraswa. Mama Ishtam, Mameshtam. Now here Dirgha, here Hraswa. Yatha Ishtam, Yatheshtam. So all these things are, by now you will be getting familiar. Yeah. I have come across these words. Now I conceptually get it. Yeah.
Mahodaya, this meaning of Yatha Ishtam is my, but the meaning of Yatheshtam becomes more than enough, right? The meaning changes.
No. Yatha Ishtam means meaning doesn't change. Meaning is same. Yatha Ishtam Khadadu. How much ever you like, you eat it. Yatheshtam Khadadu. So suppose you are a Savakaru, right? You are a very rich man and you are conducting a party. Sarve Yatheshtam Khadadu. Khatantu.
Okay,
Because he is very rich, he wants to see that everybody is completely eating to the extent they want. Everybody is happy because Mama Putriyaha Vivaha Kalu Adaha. Same
no,
thing.
but in common parlance, is it enough? Yadeshtam, we'll say no.
Yadeshtam means enough. How much ever you like. Yatha Ishtam. Yatha means what? Yatha Raja Tada Praja. How is Raja? Same way Praja. Yatha Ishtam. What is your liking? How is your liking? Yatheshtam. Then something else will be coming. Yatheshtam. I have used Khatutu.
Okay.
So same way now A and now U. Same concept. Only thing is it is U, so it become O. Ending in A. Say like Gana, here also ending in A. That's the thing. A, it's ending always, left side is A. Only for Gunasandhi and not always for Gunasandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay. Udaya, Surya, Udaya, Suryodaya. Now, same concept I'm applying, whether it's Dirgha, Hraswa doesn't change, but I gave example. Tektva Uttishtaha. By giving up, he got up. Tektos Tishtaha. This is how you will see mostly in Katha and Kavida and all. That's why it's very important, Sandhi Jnanam. Because when you read like this, if you don't have Sandhi Jnanam, you will be confused. What exactly is saying? So you should, if you know a little bit, automatically you will split it. Because you will see O. Then you will try to, Uttishtaha, you know, and you know O is there, so it must be U. If it is U, then you go backward and say this has to be Tyaktva. I think there is a Va here, I missed it. Tyaktva, okay? Tyaktva Uttishtaha, Tyaktva.
It's not so, it is Vo.
Yeah, Tyaktva, Ka, Ta, Va. All the three are there. Ka, Ta, Va. Tyaktva Tishtaha. Because that's the way. Twa, only this doesn't change. Tektva will remain Taktva only. Here only Guna will happen. Right? Vrittha Uruhu, Vriddhoruhu. Maha Urjam, Mahorjam. So all this same concept. Now R. Mama Rinam, Mamarnam. So R, it become R. Just remember, it's not this following. This is something different. Just remember that. Mama Rinam Mamarnam. Maharishihi Maharshihi. That's it. Okay. This is not very common much, so but it may come in exam. So, but it's very easy. Automatically will come. Where the problem is, reversal is the problem. they give this one and you should be able to write it backward. This may be a little more easier. Both ways you should be skilled. Okay? Gunasandhi evam eva. Avagatam? That's all Gunasandhi. Now, same concept we talk here. A, E, A, A, E, U. This guna part is over. Now we will go next step. A plus A, I. A plus O, OW. And same A plus I again. A plus OW again. Okay, that is what is Vritti Sandhi. A plus A, I. A plus O, OW. Then again, suppose this I is again coming, no change. Again, I only. Okay, that's what I was showing here. A plus A, I. But if you again A plus I again you saw, then again I only. There is nothing new.
Okay, A plus I is I only. Okay.
I only, yeah. So A plus O, OW, A plus I, same concept. A plus OW, OW only. And now this is R is little extra. R has to become R.
Oh.
Okay, this I will little bit explain, but now disregard this. This is a straightforward case and very common one. Tatra eva, tatraiva, tatha eva, tathaiva. All these things are A, I. Here, Hraswa, here, Dirgha doesn't matter. End result is I, tathaiva. So remember, you shouldn't be confusing tatha aiva, no. This here tathaiva eva. Whether it is Dirgha or Hraswa, here it is tathaiva eva.
So there is no word called tatheva. No, that tata eva only is there. Tathaiva is not there. Tata plus eva.
Tatha plus iva.
Tatheva.
Tatheva. Yeah, it can happen.
Okay. Okay.
Tatha iva. But is that a proper word? A proper way?
I don't know. I'm just giving you that word. I don't know whether there's a word also.
It doesn't make much meaning. Tatha iva. Iva means like, right? So you will not say tatha iva. Vat iva. Okay. Ramavat iva. Like Rama. You will not say Rama tatha iva. No. Ramavat iva. So that is the thing. You will not technically correct tatha iva tatheva, but that word will not be coming in sentences. Okay, it will be vat iva. That's the common way. Okay. Tava ojas, tavaujas. Ojas, or you can say ojaha, tavaujaha, ojas, your brightness. Okay. Bhoga Aishwaryam, Bhogaishwaryam. This is I again doesn't change. Bhoga and I is there. Nothing new comes. It's the same. A plus I again, I, Bhogaishwaryam. I need not write, I think, right? You get it, right?
Understood. Yeah.
Yeah.
All this. Yeah. Actually, tav, ojam, tava means tav plus a and a plus o. You have to take a plus o, ow. Tav, ow, yes. Then tavau, yes. That's why in the beginning I did in the notepad. So same concept applies. When you say vana means one plus a plus ow again. Vanaushatihi. So this is vritti sandhi. So how will you remember this? That's again, whenever now, after some time, all these things will get little mixed up. Okay. Oh, guna sandhi, what was it? Then you will say A plus A, I is guna. No, that's vritti. Okay. This kind of things is likely to happen. So how will you remember? Little bit think about these things. Guna is step by step. A plus E, some guna happens, some transformation happens. The word guna itself is transformation type because these two letters is producing something new, A, E, A. So with that, you can somehow remember guna sandhi is related to that. Vriddhi padam smaryate chet, Smarantu, I, all these things are advanced. Became the highest form. I, that is vritti santi. They became multiplied. A became I. Like that. So somehow you have to connect it. This is all my way of thinking. I cannot say that is authentic way, but nobody is telling any way to remember any of these. So that is why I'm telling, so that I hope to help you.
Some clues.
Yeah, some clues. You can take it or you don't need to, but it's okay. Now, idani, there is one important thing, vritti santi and gunasanti. Both are saying a plus a, r. Vritti sandehe rupam r. Parantu gunasandehe rupam same. A plus a, r. Okay, see? Gunasanti, a plus a, r plus r. Here also a plus a, r plus r. Actually, I did not write it. It should be r also. And here I am saying R, here I am saying R. Then you will think, how can it be both correct? Yes. Atra sadharana rupena atra upasargaha asti. If this is A only, but saha or tat upasarga patam api is also an upasargam, then it becomes R. Because it became bigger one R, it is coming under vritti santi. So vritti means every way multiplied and bigger. Like I. So here also R. So here also same letters are combined, but only smaller R, because this is normal one. Atra sadharana padam. Atra A plus R api atra api parantu एषः एतस्य एकः विशेषः अस्ति. का विशेषता?
उपसर्ग.
तत्पदम् उपसर्गपदम्. अतः आर्. That's why uparchati.
So when it is along with upasarga ar, then it becomes r. Only for upasarga it is vriddhi sandhi. If it is ar, it is guna sandhi.
Yes. And because it's vriddhi sandhi, you have to lengthen it. Uparchati.
What's the meaning, Mahoday? Uparchati meaning?
Archati means it's something like moving. Uparchati, getting closer. Upa normally means Upanishad, sitting nearby. Upa means generally samipyam iti ekah artha. Mostly that is the meaning, Upa. Upakrishnam ityuktau krishnasya samipam. Upakrishnam tishtami. I will sit next to Krishna. Upakrishnam. Same way, uparchati, uparichyati, moving towards uparchati. Saha Krishnam uparchati. He is moving towards Krishnam prati uparchati. Means he is going and sitting near Krishna. Or moving towards Krishna, tadanandaram upavishati. So you are clear about these three sandhis?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, next logical form is what? Okay, let me.
Mahoday, only three is enough for us to address. The fourth one.
Enough?
Yes, otherwise I think we'll find it difficult.
Only one more, because we have to finish it in classes, right? Where is the notepad?
You are on the notepad, I think, now. Because you are an Brahmarpanam.
Oh, where was there was a notepad?
Yes.
Okay. Something happened. It's all other things gone.
Yes.
Only Brahmarpanam.
Yeah. Anyway, that's okay. I can write it again. Why is something weird happened here? Okay. Anyway, so let me write quickly. A, E, U, right? And R. Okay, this were what our subject. And we focused on, oh, now I get it. Okay, we focused on our business, R plus E. Nayakaha asit. So far, Nayaka is A, right? U. But other letters are little Neerasaha. They are little bit Aswastaha. Why he is always in the leadership? No. So now comes new guys. So now As Pramukyam Gachati. So far, Brahma, Eka, all left side was A. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhihi, Guna Sandhihi, Vritti Sandhihi. Guna Sandhihi, Vritti Sandhihi, Aspadam, left side. Now he is telling, why not me? Left side I'm going, E. Okay? And then you come, whoever come, then A is coming. Then you are getting what is called Yan Sandhihi. Yadi api means Yadyapi. How does that become? Yad E, right? Yadi. Isn't it? A, then P. So this Yadi I split into Yad plus E. So left side starting fellow is not A anymore. E is coming.
Mahodaya,
Next.
font is very small. Couldn't read.
How do I lengthen it? There is no. Can't read it?
Very small. It's very difficult to read.
But this okay, then I have to use.
Yeah, better.
Yeah.
No, I'll
But
take
then
two
it went
words.
away, I think. That words are not there now.
Yeah,
Just
because
You
because
have
I'm.
reduced it.
Just scroll.
But this does it scroll? Notepad?
Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Now
yeah.
it's okay.
Yadi api. Hello. Now I will write it Yad E. Okay. Yadi I changed it to Yad E. A
Plus P.
P. Why? Then I can combine these two. So there is a rule. E plus, not just a simple E. So E plus A, what happens is the E will be dropped.
No.
And in its place,
Yeah.
U will come. Okay. So here the E will be replaced by U.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us see what happens there. That is the rule. So they are telling the rule is it will be replaced. Okay. Now what will happen? U plus A,
Yeah.
Dia. Dia. Then P, just write P. You get it? This is the rule called Yan Sandhihi. So remember, this is the another way to say U, Ya. Okay, because U is coming, it is called Yan Sandhihi. But that doesn't mean U only. Corresponding to E, if it is U, Ya will become Va. Same concept. Suppose it's O, then it will become V. Anu Eshanam, Anveshanam.
E plus U will
sorry,
become
U.
O.
Oh, U. Sorry, U. U will become Va. Anu vadati. Anu. E will become, U will become Anu. Eshanam. What's, I will have some examples. Let me give you the right example.
U plus U plus.
Okay, let me go there. We are talking about, okay,
Yanasandhi.
this is, yeah, this is the next one. So before you learn that, yeah, now E, U, R. Here it could be anything. I am giving an example, but doesn't mean only. But it cannot be same, because same means we will get a Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, E plus E. But other than that, any Swara, except same Swara. U, again, U cannot happen. Can happen, then it's not Yan Sandhi. It will be belonging to the Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Hello?
Oh.
Yes.
That's the thing. Yeah, that's why we say, because you shouldn't be E plus E again. I don't want this rule. That's already part of another rule. So except the same kind, this cannot, if it is E, it cannot be E again. If it is U, cannot be U again. But other than that, it can be any swara. So Yadyapi is one example only, but it can be any other things.
So if it is E plus U, then you get what?
There is no such thing. E
Okay.
plus U. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but generally we say swaraha. Okay.
Oh,
They
means-
don't combine actually. Yeah. E plus U. Yeah. There is no such thing. This is one common happens. E and any swara, U. And it could be A. But depending on that, technically, yeah, you are correct. E plus something else comes, even A comes, it has to become U. But
Yeah.
we don't find a word like that. But technically, as per this rule, yes, if it is E and any swara, it has to be U. Is U and any swara, it has to be U. But generally, we don't find it. So generally, E will be seen with A. U also A, like that.
Also.
Yeah, but technically it's correct. So let's see example. E plus E or and swara, E plus swaraha. Yadi plus abhi, yadyapi. Nalini, now I dirgha. Dirgha plus A again. Nalini api, nalinyapi. Now I took something else. Nalini eva, nalinyaiva. Okay? Nalini eva, nalinyaiva. Because I can say Nalini, then I can combine Nalinu E. Nalinu E, then A. Then E can be replaced by U. Then
So
Nalini Eva.
So
Nalini Eva.
Nalini Eva becomes that.
Oh, it has, okay, it's not Iva, it is Eva, Nalini Eva. Okay, it's a mistake. I'll correct it. Nalini Eva.
So that is Guna Sandhi only, then.
Is it Gunasandhi?
Because A plus E is A plus A. Oh, is Vriddhi Sandhi, I'm sorry. A plus A.
It's not A, it's E.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the importance. All others are Gunasandhi and Vriddhisandhi. Left side is A.
Correct.
Here
Okay.
it is E. Okay, and U, R. Okay. So U plus Swaraha, V. Anu, Eshanam, Anveshanam, Va. So E, this U, here E dropped and U came. Same way, U dropped and V came. Anu, Eshanam, Anveshanam. Kavishu Ekaha. Here U is there. In U's place, what should come? V should come. So Kavishruega. That's how Va comes. This U is dropped to Va. Now you can even infer. Okay. Saha. Okay. Saha gachati, saha gatva, saha vadati. You won't say saha vaktva. Saha uktva. So this U and Va are actually cousin type. And E and U are cousins. That's why certain words, you will see suddenly something little bit changes, right? Uktva. From where this U came, you think? Vadati. Gacchati gatva. Vadati vaktva. No. Uktva. You get it? Yeah. So why all those things? It will be grammatically, there will be some derivation rules we don't need to know, but familiarity. At least you know, oh, U and Va are same family, so I get it. I can at least infer that can happen. Now, R and Swaraha, it will become R. Kartru idi. This R, same way here U and E, this R will be dropped, and in its place, R will come. So, Kartru, Kartriti, Kartriti, it will become. Are you with me?
Tra, it will become Tra, right? Tra will become Tra.
No, Kartru, Kartru, idi Kartriti. Because that is the right way to form. Yeah. There is
So
no
the R will be dropped and Tra will it become.
But this form is gone. Tru is gone. So it has to become 3 only. Because E is coming. Kartriti. Kartru. Okay. Kartriti. Then Kartririti will become. Because this is Rikaram. Rikaram is dropped like U. Now you may say Kartru, but it's not Kartru, it's Kartu. Kartriti. Kartriti. Kartariti. Kartriti will become. Otherwise, you have to say Kartariti. There is Kartariti is not proper. So you have to say Kartriti. So this Repaha is like that. That's why this unique form replacement. Okay. Mute karo do Bhavati. Chitraji.
Sorry.
Okay. Now.
Mahodaya, just one doubt in the previous slide, which you were showing. In the second column, it is U or O. It is plus Swaraha, except E, or it should be U or O.
U or O. I have a copy paste mistake. It's U or
okay,
O.
U or O. Okay.
Yeah. Good catch. Yeah. Okay. So next onwards, I have a lot of abhyasas. I don't think we can do it here. Can you do it? I will be posting it. Do it yourself. Okay.
Okay.
It may be a little deeper one. It's not very simple one. This is actually for the little higher classes. This even the Sandhi Vishaya is not actually Lata Vishaya, I think so. But they have given. But they are only introducing Swara Sandhi, so it's okay. Swara Sandhi is relatively simple. But it's good. You get the hang of it. Then you will easily go to Vyanjana Sandhi and Visarga Sandhi. Okay, so Karotu Tvaya Uktam, Tvayoktam. Okay, A plus U, O. That is Guna Sandhi. Kaka Ulukau, A U. Again, O, Kako Ulukau. Devarshihi. How will you split? Deva Shihi. So now, Niyamya, Etat, Niyamya, A, E. They have given how it is derived, okay? Then A plus A become I, then Tat, Niyamya, Tat. Kaha Prashnaha, Bhavati?
19, that Eko na Vimshati, in that this thing Sandhi is there, no? How to do that Eka una, something last year you taught, no? That in that Sandhi
Ekona Vimshatihi, Eka Una Vimshatihi. A plus U, Eka Una. Eka Una Vimshadihi. Eka plus Una will become A plus U, O. Ekona Vimshadihi. Simple, right?
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's how it is.
That is
The same way.
which sandhi that is? That is which sandhi? That ekona vimshati
Guna Sandhi.
Guna sandhi. Okay.
Because A plus U becomes O. A plus E become A. All these things are guna. Okay. They get corrupted. Guna. With gunas, rajogunas. Anyway. So like that. Indra Airavadau, Indrairavadau. So here they have given good splitting. So you can get it easily. These are all something I did.
So even Devarishi is also Gunasandhi only.
Yeah, because Rikara, Deva is not Upasarga. So Deva, Rishi, R will become Ar.
plus
Deva, R will become. Devarshihi.
Okay.
If it is Upasarga, then it will become R, right? Yeah, that's all. Otherwise, simple. So there are some 7 pages. If it's very easy to just to go through. Some of them are not exercises. It is just to go through. Okay. This is done already. This is just reading. Second one is done. Third one is reading. So you don't have much to do. This you have to do. Narakaya eva. How will become? A plus E, A plus A, I. Narakayaiva. Narakaya aiva. Narakayaiva. 2 ya will come. You have to be careful. Narakaya will E plus A plus A. So A plus A will become I. Narakaya aiva. Then Narakayaiva. 2 ya will come. Okay? That kind of thing are what little bit tricky. You have to be, if you go fundamental way, it will not go wrong. But if you just say, oh, Naragayaiva, okay. But then you may be missing 1 ya. Then it may be not be exactly correct. Iha ekastam. Iha ekastam. Ihu A plus A. Ihaikastam. Sukhasya ekantikasya. Sukhasya.
It is Sukhaya, no double ya.
No, here only one. Sukhasya. Sukhasya eka. Sukhasya. Sukhasya A. Sukhasya I. Sukhasya. It will be only one. Sukhasya. This is the 3 words together. Like you said, this also can happen. Maya eva mayaiva ete mayaivaite. You get it? This type of words, when it comes in the sentences, you will have little difficulty. Maya eva etei. Ete. So A plus A, I, mayaiva. Now again, Va plus A, I, mayaivaite. Mayaivaite. That kind of thing is not much common, but it can come. And you will find it hard. But that's how it is. That is where it challenges comes. But if you know the rules, you will somehow try to split it. Grihitva etani. A plus A, I. Grihitvaide. Grihitvaitani. Hello?
I am not able to understand why in the first case it was double ya and in the third case it was
Sound nasti. Uchaihi vadatu.
1 second. I'm on mute. No. I'm saying in the first cell, in that first one, you said there are 2 I. Yeah. I'm not able to know the word. So there you said it is 2 ya. But in the third case, you said it is only 1 year. Why?
Let me take the example. Where is it?
It has become too small now there for me to know to read it.
Something like this, right? A something.
Narakayevo. Naraka.
Yes, Eva. Okay.
Okay, A plus A, okay?
Yeah,
A plus A is I, right?
I.
So this, if Naraga Yaiva, I cannot say, right? It's not correct. There are two. U is there, U plus I. U plus I.
You cannot add year and A. Is that so? You cannot join.
So, see, it has to, it is, this is like this, right? Suppose I write it, suppose I write it, this is not correct. Instead, it should be.
But is it because that year and A cannot join? I can not have Sandhi?
No, not cannot. You cannot disregard him. That's why. If it was Naraka Aiva, it has to be Naraka Yaiva. If Ya is there, then it will become two Ya, the Ditvam.
Okay, but if it is Naraka plus Eva, then it will be Narakeva.
It will become like this, Naraka Yaiva. Right?
Naraka plus Eva will become Narakayeva.
Yeah. If this was not there, then this will be like this.
Okay.
If this is there, then you have to make it twice. Right?
Okay. Now in the third one, if you see again there is a ya there. The third not in another question, in the question, the third word.
Which one?
The Sukhaya plus Ekas.
This is not Sukhasya.
I think Maya plus Eva.
Sukhasya, yeah.
Sukhasya. Yeah, that will, so let's Sukhasya Ekantikasya.
Yeah, please, can you do that also for me?
For all?
Yeah, yes, for that means for everybody.
Eka something, okay.
Yeah.
So, let's go fundamental principles. Sukha, Sya plus A plus Eka, right? So, this will become Sukhasya. Now, I will become Aika, right? A plus A. Aika, right?
Oh, because yes, but here
here only one will have.
Okay, now I understood.
Yeah.
Okay, now I understood.
It depends, yeah. You have to split and see. Because, yeah, Aika, Sukhasya, Aika.
Okay.
Somebody is chatting. Okay, Parvati. Okay, all right. So, with that, let me see, is there anything else remaining? So, we were in this page, now last page. So, you only need to read. You have only 1 or 2 pages to do. And I have done all, just here only you have 4 or 5 of them. Okay, Bhagyashalinaha. Okay. Hello.
Mahoday, this is which book?
This is the book Gita Sopan. Actually, this is fourth stara.
Both. Is it
Gita
there
Pravesh.
NCERT books also?
No. This is the book.
Okay.
You're seeing my book?
Yeah.
So there is a Gita Praveshaha book. Okay. Very good. There are 3, 4, 5 and all. And the idea with that is it will always use Bhagavad Gita slokas. And then using that, it will, but this book is the starting of that Gita Pravesha, third. 1, 2 is actually Gita Sopanam or something is there. No, not different. Okay. Gita Pravesha, I am not sure what is 1 and 2, but this book is very good for grammatical, and it takes the subjects from Bhagavad Gita or mostly Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Next 2 books, 4 and 5 exactly is Gita Sloka from 1 to 18 chapter. Complete Anvaya, splitting words, each word meaning, everything is given. It's very good. Complete Gita. 1 to 18 chapter, every sloka, they have first sloka and then split all the words.
You said what book name is?
Gita Pravesha 3, 4, 5, 6.
Gita Pravesha.
Yeah, Gita Pravesha. But this book is only 3. This is mainly for subject knowledge. It teaches you Swarasandhihi, Vyanjana Sandhihi, and Sannandaha, so many things, Chatrushanaj, all these things. It's a very good book. Samasaha, Krit Pratyaya, Karakam, Tathita Pratyaya, Tarap Tadap, all these Sati Saptami, Ta Pratyaya. Actually, Ta Pratyaya I took it from here. Nijantam. So all these building block, almost once you are familiar with the normal concept, this will be almost at the completion stage of whatever you are not familiar. This is completing that. Once you learn this book, you are good enough in Sanskrit.
So that Gita Pravesha, so only about slokas, Anvaya and word to word meaning.
In Gita Pravesha, this is 3.
4 and 5. 4 and 5.
4, 5, yeah, 4 and 5, I think.
Okay.
4, 5, 6 is there, I don't know. But after this, whatever comes, they are only slokas. Slokas they split each word, give the meaning, they give the Anvaya form, how to do Anvaya, and they give the Anvartha also.
Okay.
And then they go to the next sloka complete. So those who want to know Gita very well, very fundamentally, exact Sanskritam, that's a very good source. Because it clearly splits and give each word meaning and paryayas, and then it goes on to do Anvaya and give you complete one. Very, very good. But this book is just before that to give you completeness of all the usages in Sanskritam. After your normal building blocks, everything is completed after Tritiya Stara. Not next class, next year.
Can you send me the picture of that, the front page of that book? Please post it on
I can send it, but you see Gita Pravesha, if you write and then you go to Samskrita Bharati bookstore, you will have it.
Okay. It's Samskrita Bharati. Okay.
Gita Pravesha.
Okay.
Yeah. Pratama Bhagaha, Dutiya, it will be there in Bangalore. Astu. Samapyamaha. Prashna asti va? Avagachati va? Avagachat. Ava means avagachat.
Avagachat. Avagachat.
Adyatana Kakshyam Avagachat va Nava.
Avagachat.
Avagachat.
Avagachat. You understood?
Samyak Avagachat.
At least concept is very clear, right?
Yes, very clear.
Now what will happen is after some time, when you see A plus E, you will think that is the answer, the man. No, it's Guna.
That's like, yes, that is what I said. If you do everything together, we'll all jump a little.
No, that doesn't mean, that's not an excuse. If you postpone it, you are not going to improve.
We need some time to grasp this.
No, that's okay. This is enough. You need to, now you have enough time to grasp it. So remember this concept, then it will be at least Savarna Dirgha Sandhi starting, then step by step. Guna, vriddhi, then yan. So guna and vriddhi are with the a only, very starting letter a. Left side is a. Okay, that's why I gave like this. And then once a's business is complete, we slowly move into yan sandhi because he is aswastaha, he is very impatient. Give me my chance. So he comes. That's why, and remember yadyapi. That's the very easiest way to remember yan sandhi. Yadyapi. Very common word. Everybody gives that example. Yadyapi. That itself gives yan. Yadyapi. Yan sandhi. So whenever yan comes, take this example. If you have a doubt, yadyapi, use the word yadyapi, split it, yadyapi, and look at whatever word they have given. Is it like yadyapi? Is it with e-a? Of course, that's not the only thing. It's cousin, u-wa. That's also is there. Okay. U-a will become wa. Anu yashanam, anuvashanam. U big wa. So that's the other cousin. So whether you
Suryodaya. Suryodaya.
that is not a yan sandhi. That is where I am telling you.
Ya comes in yan sandhi.
Yeah, it's not like that.
Ya and va comes.
Surya, no, that is where you should be sharp. Surya is ending in a. When there is a yan sandhi, it has to be ending in e or u, right? Surya is surya a. A is it's a. A business is with guna sandhi and vriddhi sandhi. Right? It's a plus o, suryodaya, not yan sandhi. This is what will happen.
When the derivative is a, ya or va, then it is yan sandhi.
Yeah, you have to see the left side ending letter. If it is not a, then it could be possibly yan sandhi. But Surya Udaya is first split Surya plus Udaya. What is ending it? A. A means it has to be guna or vriddhi only, right? So this is what will happen after some time. So be careful. So conceptually, you have to keep reading it. At least you do all this, whatever is given here, and that exercise, read it. It will stay in you. And whenever you come across any part of Aga, then it will all make sense. Okay? Yeah. Tatha eva. Nothing is just grasped and reproducible in the first class. But you understand and you get familiar, but and use certain examples. Samskrita padane tat avashyakam. Yatha yadyapi. Ekaika. Suppose you want to vritti santi. I or au. Everybody uses I, not au. I means you will get au also. So have a word. Eka. Something like that. Need not be that exact, but think about something like that. Surya Udaya is a good one. Surya Udaya for Gunasanti. Or Ganesha is also a good one. A plus E. Gana, Ishaha, Ganeshaha. So Ganesha may be a good one. Okay. So Savarna Dirgha Santi, nobody will doubt much. It's straightforward. All Dirgha will happen, not the out. Guna Sandhi, remember Ganesha. Guna and Gana are same, similar word. Guna Sandhi, take Ganesha. Okay, Gana Ishaha, A-E. So Guna Sandhi. Vritti Sandhi, something you take, but Ekaiga is one coming to my mind. But that doesn't need Tatha Eva. A plus E. Okay. So Tatha Eva, Tatha Eva. So that will become Vritti Sandhi. Then Yan Sandhi, you use Yadyapi. Only these three. Ganesha, Tathaiva, and Yadyapi. So some representative words, reference words. Then it will not go wrong. But of course, you have to have that concept clear. When U comes, you have to correspondingly twist it. Astu. Okay. Prasanam kurmaha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम्। पुनर्मिलामः।
नमस्कारः।
धन्यवादः।
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 Very excellent, very interesting class.
Yeah, it's good.